Good morning, kindergarten. Today we're going to be reviewing the letter team NG that makes the sound ng. But before we start, let's review our blending hands. Remember, you hear it from me once, we say it together, then you say it, and then we're going to break it apart. Our first word today is quit. Say it with me, quit. Say it on your own, and let's use our blending hands to spell out quit. Quit. Qua, it. What was the first sound in that word? Qua, qua. And we learned last week that QU makes qua, like K and W together, qua. And what's my vowel? I, I. I know U always travels with Q. I know I have to have an I for I. And what's my final sound? My final sound is t, t, T. Today we're practicing ng, and we're going to start by practicing saying it 5 times. When you say ng, you should feel it in the back of your mouth because you hear n, and then g together, they say ng. Let's say it 5 times. Ng, 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 ng. Good. Now, when I have n by itself, I know it says n, just like s by itself said s. And G by itself says g, g, not j, g, g. I have n and I have g, but with S and H said h and S said s. Together they said sh. N and G still keep their sounds, and together they say ng. You hear both letters. Let's go ahead and practice some ng words that we have, and we're going to listen for that sound. Our first word is sing. Say it with me. Sing. Say it on your own. And let's blend. Sing. S, I, ng. Sing. What was the first letter you heard in that word? S. Letter S. Where did you hear the ng in our word? At the end, we have N and G as our very last sound in that word. That means that the ending sound is ng. Our next word is long, like I went on a long walk. Say it with me. Long. Say it on your own. And let's blend. Long. L, ah, ng. What was our vowel in that word? Well, I heard ah. That means it's the letter O. Where was it? Well, my first sound said ul, letter L. My last sound said ng, N and G. And my middle sound said ah, the letter O. Our next word is the word bang, like we heard a loud bang on 4th of July fireworks. Say it with me. Bang. Say it on your own. And let's blend it. Bang. B, a, ng. Bang. Where do you notice the ng sound is showing up in our words? It's showing up at the end of our words. You won't ever find ng at the beginning of the word, but it'll be at the middle or the end. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do 3 ng word riddles. Remember, ng is going to be at the end of these words, and I'm going to give you some hints. Call out that word when you think you know it. Our first word is something you would wear on your hand. It's something that might be sparkly. Your word ends in ng. You wear it on your hand, and it's sparkly. Our word is ring. Ring ends in the ng sound. Our next word might wear this crown. The person with this word might live in a castle. If I know of 2 people that could live in a castle, queens and kings, I need to think which one has the ng sound. King. A king might live in a castle. He wears a crown, and the word ends in ng. Last one. A bumblebee might do this to you. It will probably hurt. Sting. Our word is sting. Sting. Let's go ahead and review some of our letter sounds. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter F. The letter F says F. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter D. The letter D says D, dog. I'm thinking of the sounds for the letter A. A is a vowel, so it has two sounds. Its short sound says a, like apple, and its long sound says A, its name. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter G. G. Remember, you feel G here and J here. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter C. The letter C says k, as in cat. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter X. The letter X says x, like axe or fox. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter team SH. The letter team SH says shh. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter team GL. The letter team GL says glue, like glue. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter team TH. TH says th or v if it's voiced. I'm thinking of the letter sound for the letter team SPR. You can break up those three letters to find this sound. The blend SPR says spur, spur. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter team SQU. SQU says squa, like squawk or squeal. Now comes the part of our day where you're going to need something to write with, and you're still going to be listening and looking, but make sure you can pause and go get your writing tools now. On our words, I'm going to say it once, we're going to say it together, then you're going to say it, then we're going to blend it with our hands. You can pause the video and write that word out once I finish. Our first word is sing, like I like to sing in the mornings. Say it with me. Sing. Say it on your own. Let's blend. Sing. S, ng. Sing. You can pause the video now and write your word. And here's how you would spell sing. S, I, ng, it's always at the middle or the end. Our next word is ping. Say it with me. Ping. Say it on your own. Let's blend it. Ping. Pa, ing, g. Ping. Pa, ing. Go ahead and pause the video and write your word. And here's how I would write the word ping. P-p-I-ng. P is the letter P, I, the letter I, ng, N-G. Your next word is the word long. Say it with me, long. Say it on your own. Let's blend. Long. L, ah, ng. Long. You can pause the video now and write your word. And here is how we would spell the word long. L, letter L, ah, O, ng, N-G at the end. Here's your last word. Your last word is going to have a 3-letter blend in the beginning and a blend at the end. So listen carefully. We'll break it up with our hands 2 times. The word is spring. Say it with me. Spring. Say it on your own. Let's go ahead and start stretching it out. Sp, ing, g. Spring. Sp, spur, I, ng. Go ahead and write the word now. And here is how we would spell that word spring. Spring is a tough word to break up with our hands because S-P-R, we know sp is a blend, spur is a blend, then we have I. We know our vowel has to be I, and N-G at the end, ng. Make sure if you write out these words that you take a picture and post it or email it to us because we would love to see your work. Have a great day, stay nice and cool, and stay healthy. Bye.